Hi, this is Andy from tweakinside.com, and in this video we're going to learn how to duplicate posts and pages on WordPress. Okay, here we are in our dashboard. We are going to go to plugins and add new. We're going to press upload plugin, and there we're going to search for this plugin that is called duplicate posts. There we click on install now and activate. Then we can go to our post. I don't have any posts or created, so I'm going to create one. I will add a title and a description, just the content of the post, and I'm going to publish it. Now if I go to all posts, you will see that I have one more option that says clone. And that's how you do it. It's super simple. And you can also do this with pages. So this plugin also works to clone pages. There you can see that the content is the same. And there you can select, click clone, and you will clone the page. If you find this video meaningful, useful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and it will help if you liked and share it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.